Now, let's create our own registration page where we can register our users. So if you guys remember at the beginning of the series when we installed Laravel Breeze, by default it added some default route. At that time we deleted all those routes and say we will cover them later. So this is the time to cover all of them because we have already covered the basics of Inertia.js with Laravel. Now we can understand that how we can pass a view and how we can pass our data. So right now these are the default routes which we have deleted it before, but now we can use these routes. In here there is one thing that we have not covered, which is require dir auth.php. It just includes this auth.php inside our web.php. So if I inside my routes, there is a file with the name of auth.php. In here, if we open this, we can see all the authentication routes are here. We can use the register, login, forget, all the routes are here. The reset and also verify email, confirm, changing password and log out. So we can use this auth.php inside our web.php. Now, if we go to inside our project and click register, this is the default Breeze registration page. Now that we have covered all the things inside the pages, let's go to auth and in here register. Right now that we have covered all these, we can we know that what is use form, what is data, how we can send data, how we can submit data. So it's time for us to use ChatGPT and create our own pages faster. So in here I already wrote this create a Laravel 12 Inertia.js and React register page, and it created this page. So we are going to copy this and add it there. So let's copy all of them and let's go to our project. Instead of this register, I will just rename this and change it to old. Then in the auth folder, I will create another file with the same name and paste my code. Now, if I go to my browser, as you guys can see, my page has been created in a few seconds. So in here, if I scroll down, as you guys can see, it also uses use form and my field names, which are the name, email, password, and password information. That all the default fields that Laravel uses for registration, and the rest are validations, inputs, all the things that we already covered. So let's create a new users. Let's call this, for example, abc3abc@gmail.com and give them a password as well. Click register. Okay, it has been registered. Now only our dashboard have a problem. Let's check. Okay, and this is the reason because we are also added this dashboard. We already have a dashboard here, but Laravel is going here. So we don't need this. Let's comment this. Let's go back. Okay, now we have registered successfully and we can see our dashboard. And if you guys want this registration page, you can always come to the student management Laravel React and Inertia repo, and you can copy all the codes from here. And also, if you click the branches for each branch lecture, we have all the branch where you can see all the changes. And if you click view branches, all branches, you can see all the list of the branches that we have covered.